Here we are, guys, in Grow a Garden, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything new from the brand new Busy Bees Part 4 update. This update just dropped, and it brought a lot of amazing new content into the game. We've got brand new seeds, beautiful trees, cute pets, and of course some awesome rewards that you definitely don't want to miss. And yes, along with all of that, there are also some brand new working codes that I'll be sharing with you in this video. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, because you don't want to miss any of these codes. Some of them might expire very soon, and if you skip even one, you could miss out on free rewards. But wait, before we get into the codes, I've got something special for you guys. Would you like a chance to win any Game Pass in Grow a Garden? If yes, then make sure to follow these simple steps very carefully. First, make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any future updates and new codes. Second, go ahead and drop a like on this video to support the channel. And lastly, make sure to comment down your Roblox username in the comment section below. Remember this very carefully. If you comment your Roblox username, I will be choosing 10 lucky players from the comments and sending them free game passes as a gift. So don't miss your chance. Go comment your username right now. Alright, now let's move on to the main part of the video. I'm going to start entering all the latest working codes for June 2026 one by one. Make sure you follow along exactly as I do. If you feel like I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and enter the codes at your own speed. When I'm entering the codes, there will be no talking, just music, so you can clearly see each code and redeem them without any confusion. Let's get started.